Richard Counts, President and CEO of Mustang Project, also known as MP Classic Lighting Products. And we have a new Kickstarter project idea for you guys today, but before we go ahead and show you that in our prototype shop, we wanted to do a rundown of the existing products that Mustang Project has had on the market for the past 10 years.
Thanks a lot, Philip. I'll tell you a few things about Mustang Project. Since 2000, we've been making LED lighting for classic and sports cars, all kinds of cars. Of course, our name is Mustang Project. We're also known as MP Custom Car Lighting. We made the first LED sequential tail lights for Mustangs. We're also making for the Riviera, the Cadillac, the Camaro, and the Firebird. We'll show you a couple of the other kits that are on the market right now, and then, as Philip said, we'll go over and show you our great new prototype for the late model Mustangs. Okay, so you know about our sequential tail light kits. We made these for the Mustang. Here we have them installed in a Riviera. We have a universal kit that works with virtually any classic car and late model cars. Alright, one more thing before we go to the Kickstarter program. We want to show you a few of the premiums that we're going to have.
Alright, premiums. Everyone loves premium.
Kinds of premiums. The first premium is just a $1 pledge, just to say, hey, go guys, go. Second premium is going to be these really cool, and we have these baked nearby here. These are car cookies, little just like animal cookies. Of course, a custom t-shirt to be unveiled at a later date. We can't show you exactly it right now. And of course, you'll be able to buy one of our Superpower late model retrofit kits at a discount, which will be very interesting. We'll show you the Kickstarter project, which will also be available for purchase as well. So come on over to the prototype shop and we'll see that.
Thank you very much. Here we are with our chief engineer, Richard Counts, here in our prototype shop. He's going to explain a few things about this new Kickstarter project for Mustang Project.
All right, thanks a lot, Phil. What we're doing for a Kickstarter project is a 05 through 09 retrofit kit for the Mustang. Now, when Ford introduced the 05 Mustang, they did a great job, we think. But you know, the ultimate Mustang was the 67 Fastback, the 67 Shelby Fastback. And Ford did everything right on the 05 Mustang, we think, except for the taillights. Taillights are great, but if they were like the Shelby Fastback Mustang, that would be awesome. So we decided to build a kit for that. You can see on our website a picture of this kit installed on an actual car, and it looks really great, we think. A little bit of history. Mustang Project patented a new technique which we call Smart Signal back in 2000. This allows a person to retrofit their car without rewiring the car. Same will be true of this kit. Instead of putting a little microprocessor in an individual lamp, in this kit we're going to have microprocessors in each of the lighting components. The kit will be made of 3 parts. A center section, which will just stick onto the back of your housing without any drilling or holes or modification to the car at all. And then a left and a right housing, which will go in place of your existing housing. So the kit can be retrofitted, it can be taken off, it can be put back on without hurting your car at all. And it'll be some phenomenal lighting effects, which we'll show you. Okay, so this is a sequential kit. So we use, there are over 200 LEDs in this kit. It's extremely bright. If your turn signal is activated, you see the lights flow from one side to the other. Great pioneering effect that Carroll Shelby put on his cars. And he created, of course, in those days they used electromechanical relays and incandescent lights. Here we have LEDs and we have our patented electronic system. So as I said, we'll have different versions. We'll have different lighting effects available. We'll have a so-called chase effect where the lights tend to run across. We'll have this sequential effect that you see here. We'll also have 2 versions of the kit. One with the gas cap available and one without. This is as you know, if you're an 05 through 09 Mustang owner, this cap is actually an emblem. It's not a real gas cap. Some people would like to see that covered up and just have the hole here for the key lock. So we're very excited about it. The Kickstarter project will help us fund the tooling that we need to create for these plastic components. We're going to use real die-cast metal. We're going to use injection molded plastic lenses that come from the original Ford tooling from 1967. So this kit is going to be a super high quality kit, and we certainly would appreciate your help in getting this off the ground. Thank you.